Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So it's been a while since I last did a vlog, almost 3 weeks. I think it's actually like in between 2 and 3 weeks. Anyways, we haven't really been doing much like interesting stuff lately, so it's just like over the last like 2 weeks, just like random stuff that I've just vlogged. But some more interesting stuff is happening in the future, especially in February and March. So we'll definitely have some much better vlogs out soon. So yeah, I guess just stay tuned for those.
Where's Scarlet Trip? I don't see it anywhere.
It says here.
It's a full-on blizzard today. It's crazy. Have you guys ever played with a light in your cat? It works better if you have a laser pointer, but flashlights work too. Make them go crazy. Not today? Come on, Mia, catch it. She's looking at it. in her face though. There we go. It's right here. Yeah, I think she gets confused because it is a light, it's not an actual object. Too confused to play anymore? Okay. I wish I could see it on the wall behind me. I put the flashlight like that, she can see it on the wall. Is that it? Okay. Guys, I know it happened a while ago, but we hit 300 subscribers. We're actually at 306 at this point of me filming this. But that's pretty crazy that we hit 300 subscribers now on the channel. So we're getting really close to 500, and at 500 I told you guys I was going to do a Q&A. And that'll be a pretty special live stream. And then we'll be on the way to 1,000, which is when YouTube will start paying me, so that'd be pretty cool. We just got to get the vlog channel to rise up as well. We only got 23 subs on this channel, but soon, hopefully, it will catch up to my 300 subscribers on my main channel. Okay, now she's leaving. I got this back on Christmas, so I'm gonna test it out today. We will see if it works or not. Okay, let's test this thing out. I got it on my phone. My cat's going after it. There we go. It works. Nice. Gotta shake it a little bit so it can go after it. There we go. It's pretty cool. It does work. Getting distracted by something else on the floor now. It does work though. Put it to the test. There we go. Just going after it again. Pretty nice.
Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys on next time. Goodbye.